Alright, as you can see, the Tibia client is claiming 88% of the of everything available. If we, of course, you can't see the Tibia client, but if we go to settings, we go to sound, and we remove master volume to 0% and press apply, the CPU drops down to a normal 4%, maybe 5%. And then if we increase, we add master volume again, we apply, and we go OK. We see the CPU start climbing. Let's give it a minute or so. It continues to steadily climb until it pushes the CPU to 100%. And the game client starts lagging. We can also see that the memory just keeps slowly ticking up. It does not seem to release any memory. Now that we've seen that it goes to maximum, let's go back to settings, go to sound again, set master volume to 0, so have it off, press apply, press OK, and we see the CPU usage drop significantly.